I think we are ready for the second round. Each truck and driver gets one more shot, then we share them off. So round number 2, come on down, straight jacket. Now remember that one because we're going to pick a winner in a minute. Round number 2. Let's see what Clydesdale can do. Bring him down, Clydesdale.
Uh-oh.
Don't know if there was an electrical problem or we just shut him off because it looked kind of hairy for a minute, but give it up for Clydesdale.
Woo! Yep. That's a Chevy for you.
Oh, yeah. He was driving like that, too. He was like,
He will not be competing anymore today.
What's the door was locked?
Somebody better bring something out, but that was pretty good.
Recording it?
Mm-hmm. Having fun?
Yeah. I'll put that blue one in.
Next up, Shell Camino.
Go, girl. Awesome.
Next up, Red Solo.
Don't drop your foot.
Yeah!
That was turned over.
I know. That was awesome on it.
One more to go. Equalizer.
I don't really get his dad. I'm not looking at this.
You can still cover your ears up with box cars, so you don't have to hold your head down, baby. Just hold your ears.
They don't get loud till they get right here.
Yeah, until they get right in front of us.
I hope it's not dead.
I'm the rookie again. Better give it some gas, boy. Boo.
Keep everything.
I know he ain't holding nothing.
Alright,
The winner is cut still.
Yeah.
time to pick
I
a
don't know,
winner.
Red Solos was pretty good
Now,
too.
boys and girls, it is polite to cheer for everybody, right? Everybody's trying real hard, but we have to pick a grand champion, if you will. I will say the name of the truck. You scream, yell, jump up and down, whatever. Remember, we got to move the meter so we can pick a winner. So, in order of appearance, how many people think the $5,000 for the Wheelie contest should go to Straight Jacket? How about Clydesdale?
Red Solo good.
How about Shao Camino? How about Red Solo? How about Equalizer? Your winner, Red Solo. Red Solo. Alright, next up, oh boys and girls, if you want to go out on the track for the next event, open up the gates down there, guys. We're going to get ready to do some midget wrestling, and if you want to go down on the track to check them out, we're putting up a little barricade and caution tape, but you can go on out there and check them out up close and personal. If not, you can stay in your seat. But we are getting ready in just a minute